There's a house in your family that nobody wants to walk into, packed to the ceiling, boxes in every room, and every time you think about selling it, you freeze. So let me tell you the part nobody else will. You can sell that house without cleaning out a single room, not one. Here's what I'll cover: the 3 ways to sell a hoarder house in Florida, which one actually puts the most money in your pocket, and the real numbers on a real Florida example. I'm Anthony Astolfi, the owner of Home Rescue Team and a licensed Florida real estate agent. Every single week, I sit down with families across South Florida who are holding the keys to a house they're too embarrassed to even show anyone. And hear me first: it is not your fault. Maybe mom or dad passed, and the house they left had 40 years of life packed inside it. Maybe someone you love struggled with hoarding, and over time, the clutter just won. Maybe you live out of state, and the thought of flying down to dig through all of it is just too much to face. Whatever the reason, you are not stuck. But here's where most families get trapped. They call a regular agent, and the agent says the same thing every time. We'll need to clear it out, clean it up, make some repairs, and then we can list it. And just like that, you're staring at a $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 clean out before you see a single dollar. Most families can't write that check, so the house just sits. Another year of taxes, another year of insurance, another year of avoiding that phone call. There's a better way, and most people have no idea it exists. So let's walk through your 3 real options, honestly. Option 1, clean it out yourself and list it on the open market. On paper, this gets you top dollar. And if you've got the time, the money, and the stomach for it, it can work. But be honest about the real cost. A true hoarder clean out can run $10,000 to $30,000. Then come the repairs, and a house like this almost always needs them. Another 40, 50, 60,000. Then months on the market. And here's the part nobody warns you about. If the house is in rough shape, a normal buyer's mortgage will not close on it. The bank sends an appraiser, the appraiser sees the condition, and the whole deal falls apart at the finish line. Option 2, hire a clean-out crew and then sell. This is a little better. At least you're not hauling it yourself, but you're still writing that big check up front. You still need the repairs, and you still wait months to close. You've just moved the stress around. You haven't removed it. Option 3, and this is the one most families never even hear about: sell it as is for cash, directly to a buyer like us. Let me tell you what as is really means. You take what you want, the photos, the keepsakes, grandma's ring in the back of the drawer, and you leave everything else: the furniture, the boxes, the clutter, all of it. We handle the clean out, we handle the repairs. There are no showings, no open houses, no strangers walking through your family's home, no commission. And because we're not waiting on a bank, we can close in as little as 2 weeks. One conversation, one walkthrough, one cash offer, and the weight you've been carrying for years is finally off your shoulders. Now let's put real numbers on it. These are illustrative. Every house is different. But this is what it actually looks like. Picture a 3-bedroom in Hialeah, inherited after mom passed, packed wall to wall. Fixed up, that house would sell for around $400,000. Path A, clean it and list it. The clean out, about 15,000. The repairs, about 60,000. Agent commission and closing costs, around 24,000, plus 5 months of taxes, insurance, and utilities while it sits. If everything goes perfectly, you might net around $290,000, but only after you've paid roughly $75,000 out of your own pocket first. Path C, RS's cash offer, right around $290,000 too. But zero cleanout, zero repairs, zero commission, nothing out of your pocket, and you're closed in about 2 weeks, not 5 months from now. So look at that side by side, almost the same money in your pocket. But one path costs you $75,000 and half a year of stress, and the other costs you nothing and is done before the month is even over. For most families with a hoarder house, that is not a hard choice. So if there's a house like this in your life, yours, a parent's, one you inherited from out of state, you don't have to clean it, you don't have to fix it, you don't even have to be in the same state. Go to homerescueteam.com for a free, no-pressure walkthrough, or just call or text us at 305-699-9763. We'll look at your exact situation and give you a real number. No obligation, no judgment, ever. And if this helped you even a little, do me a favor and subscribe. I put out straight answers for Florida families every single week. I'm Anthony with Home Rescue Team. Take care of yourself.